Okay, in today's topic we are going to discuss a few more commands from Microsoft Word's file menu. That is, the first one is the print command. Print command is used to print the documents. Simply just go to print. First of all, you have to choose the printer. And I have attached Epson T60 HP LaserJet 1300 TCL5. These are my actual printers which I use with my laptop. I can choose any of them to print on my pages. Next to that, the settings to print. The first setting is what I am going to print. I have 8 pages in this document. If I want to print all the pages, I will choose print all pages. Okay. If I want to print a typical single page, for example, I want to print this page number 3, I will choose use print current page. Print. My printer will print only this page. Or if I want to print more than one pages which I want to print, I will go to custom print. In this I can give the custom settings like what? For example, I want to print page number 1, page number 5 and page number 8. I will type 1, 5, 8. This will print given pages only. If I want to print a sequence of pages, for example, I need page number 4 to 7. Page number 4 to 7. I will type 4 minus 7. It will take page number 4, page number 5, page number 6 and page number 7 to print. And for whole document I will click print all pages. Next option is what will be the mode of my printing. Print one-sided or print on both sides. Print one-sided means it will print on the front of the page and the back will be blank. All the official documents are printed on the top. Back is always blank. But books, notes, assignment and this type of documents are always printed by two sides. So you have a choice. You can choose what mode of printing you want. This also depends upon your printer. Some printers print on front only and some printers print on front and back. If you have the printer that prints on front and back, then you can choose this option, print both sides. Otherwise you have to choose print manually on both sides. Manually means you will print top, then you will take the page out of the printer and place it again from the back side, and it will print the back side of the page. Okay, so choose one of these options. Next is collated or uncollated. Collated means, for example, here I am printing one copy of my document. One copy means that I will print these 8 pages only once. For example, I am going to give it to all of you and you are 7 people. So I have to print how much? 7 copies. Collated means print one set first with page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then print the second set and keep on until the set number 7. Uncollated means print page number 1 for 7 times, then go to page number 2 for 7 times, then go to page number 3 for 7 times up to page number 8. That is collated and uncollated. You have to choose one of these options. Mostly we use collated. Next option is the orientation of the page. As you are seeing that these documents are formatted in such a way that these are printed from top to bottom approach. This is known as portrait orientation. If you want to print it from left to right approach, you will choose the landscape. Mostly books and notes are printed. Portrait, certificates, diplomas and this types of things are printed landscape. Okay. Next option is the size of the page. Size of the page depends what page you are using in your printing. Normally we use letter page. It is 8.5 by 14 inches or legal page. Letter page is 8.5 by 11 inches and legal page is 8.5 by 14 inches. This is a larger page and letter page is a normal page. Another page is A4 and A5. These are same. These are in millimeters and letter and legal are in inches. Okay. If we choose A4, it means we have to place letter pages in our printer. If we choose A5, that means we have to place the legal page in our printer for printing. So choose one of them. Next is the margins. As you can see that all my pages have 1 inch margin from left, right, top and bottom. This is known as the normal margin. Normal margin contains 1 inch. Narrow margin contains 0.5 inches from left, right, top and bottom. Now you can see that my text has expanded on the pages and this is the normal margin. We can also choose wide margin. This is 2 inch margin. Normally we use normal or narrow. For books we use narrow margin and for official documents like official letters, CVs, job applications, we use normal margin, 1 inch. Next one is the page per sheet. Normally we use 1 page per sheet. That is, we can print only 1 page on single page. We can also choose these options, 2 pages, 4 pages. It will create a micro copy of page. Okay. But we need only 1 page. Finally, we will click print button. After clicking the print button, our printer will take the task and print our document. Here you can see that a printer icon on my taskbar and my document is getting ready for printing. If you want to cancel that task, click printer menu and go to cancel all documents. It will cancel printing. Next to that, share. This is for online. To share people your document through email or to present it online to someone. Next option is export. Export is used to create PDF file or XPS file. PDF means portable document format. Portable document format is a type of file that can be opened in any type of software. It does not need Microsoft Word only. You can open it in the web browser also. You can open it in the Adobe Reader also. You can open it in the Microsoft Word. You can open it in your mobile phone also. Another advantage of portable document format is you can easily upload it, you can easily download it, you can send it to your WhatsApp, your email, and you don't need Microsoft Word for that purpose. So to export the file, you have to choose just create PDF and you type the name of file. Here I am going to create a PDF on my desktop and click publish. After clicking on the publish option, you can see the PDF, and this PDF document is opening in Microsoft Edge. Here you can read it, you cannot write in it, you cannot erase the data from your file. Okay, it is not editable, it is read only file. The next option is that I am using Microsoft Office version 2021. If I copy this file to my USB and open it to some other computer that contains the lower version, for example Office 2010, Office 2015, this file will not open in that version. Okay. For that purpose, I have to convert it to the lower version file. How I will convert it to the lower version? I will go to File menu, Export command, change the file type. Change the file type. And here I can choose the version I want. For example, Word 97 to 2003 document. And click Save As. I will choose my desktop to save the file and click Save. Now this file is of lower version. You can open it in any of the lower versions like Microsoft Office 2003, Microsoft Office 2007, 2010. So this is the way to convert the file, your file to the lower version. Next option is Close button. Close button will close your recent file. Next option is the Account. Most important option, Account. This option provides you access to your OneDrive. Like I can use my OneDrive because I have signed in my Microsoft account here. For that purpose, you have to go to Account and click Sign In. Like I have already signed in, you can see my picture and my account name over here. All my files are now being saved in my OneDrive, my cloud storage provided by Microsoft. So next option is Feedback. You can provide feedback to Microsoft that what option you like in this Microsoft Word and what option you don't like in this Microsoft Word. And the last option is Options. Option is for setting Microsoft Word options like setting of display, setting of spelling and grammar, setting of languages of Microsoft Word. So this option will be used for these purposes. Later on in the later lectures, we will discuss how to change the language of Microsoft Word, how to change the display of Microsoft Word, and in those options we will use this options menu. That's all for today.